Hi, it's Mobile Max of West Hollywood, 310-804-4185. What I got here is my rear caliper compression tool. And this tool is for most modern rear brake systems on cars because they have the parking brake as part of the caliper, so you need this special tool in order to turn and compress. Believe me, if you don't have the special rear brake caliper compression tool, it's very difficult to do a rear brake job on most cars because you have to turn them and compress them at the same time. Believe me, I've tried using a vice grip to do it and a hammer, and boy is it tough. You end up damaging the caliper. Believe me, this rear brake tool is absolutely necessary on doing most modern rear brake jobs. Okay, it's Mobile Max, 310-804-4185. Thank you.